Just a ton of good flavor, ton of good texture. Hi guys, Clint from Butcher Boy Meat Market here in Reno. We're gonna talk, it's getting to be cold weather, stew season, braising season, that sort of stuff. Kind of an offcut, but most people are familiar with oxtails. Simply, it's all in the name. It's the tail out of a cattle, right? I don't know why they don't call them cow tails or beef tails, but oxtails. For us, we bring them in whole like this, and then we cut them. We're gonna separate them right between the joints in there, like that. So you're gonna end up with some nice little pieces for braising. What's nice about the oxtail is there's so much gelatin in that cartilage in there and a good amount of fat. When you braise these and cook them down, they're gonna get like fall apart tender, and that stock that comes off of them is gonna be so rich, thick, like gelatinous. Just a ton of good flavor, ton of good texture. You can always also throw these on the smoker, do the same low and slow smoke method. Comes out great. But yeah, a fun little different cut. Sometimes have them fresh, we always have them in the freezer. If you've never had oxtails, suggest giving them a try. Do a braise on them, or like I said, throw them in the smoker, low and slow cook. Super good, super tasty. Thanks for watching.